How to set who can see my profile photo on Telegram. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, okay, go to Telegram application. I use iOS mobile phone or iPhone. Here in Telegram homepage, go to setting on the lower right side on your screen. Tap settings. In settings, go to privacy and security. Okay, tap this. In privacy and security, in privacy section, you can see here the profile photos. Okay, you can tap this and you can set who can see my profile photo. So you can set into everybody, my contact, or set into nobody. So I decide to set into my contact. And also you can set the exemption, the never share with and always share with. So you can tap this. For example, I select Chad and tap the done button on the upper right side to save. And always share with, for example, select the Tico Blake and click done button on the upper right side. And you can set the public photo by tap this. But I cancel it by tap the cancel button. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set the who can see my profile photo on Telegram. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.